Pour milk into the helmet. Now we will demonstrate how to use the machine. First, select the cleaning mode, and you can choose whichever cleaning mode you prefer. We select the advanced cleaning mode. This mode is tuned specifically for the current demonstration scenario. Now let's choose the fragrance. We have 6 types of fragrances for you to pick from, and you can select your favorite one. Now we select the payment mode. We have multiple payment modes available, supporting QR code, card swiping, banknotes, and coins. We choose the test mode. After payment is completed, the warehouse door opens, and we put in the helmet. Please make sure not to block the fragrance nozzle when putting on the helmet. After putting the helmet in place, we close the cabin door and click to start cleaning. After we click start, we can see the ultraviolet light turns on, and the heating, ozone generation, and exhaust functions all start working. First, perform a simple preliminary cleaning on the surface of the helmet. After clicking to check the progress and entering the process interface, and we can see the cleaning progress of the helmet. Close the visor when you only need to clean the inside of the helmet, which will better cleaning effect on the interior. If you want to clean the outside as well, open the helmet visor, so that the exterior can also be cleaned thoroughly. The high temperature and high pressure cleaning is currently in progress. The ongoing process involves ozone filtration and the decomposition of ozone molecules, which are broken down in the airtight and high-pressure environment inside the chamber. Filter cotton is installed inside the machine. After ozone decomposes, the gas is exhausted through the exhaust fan at the rear of the chamber. Moreover, the gas is colorless and odorless. After exhausting the gas, the fragrance spraying phase is now in progress. The machine is equipped with an independent fragrance system that releases fragrance once the cleaning process is completed. This completes the cleaning of our helmet. Take out the helmet and check its cleaning condition. Let's first smell the inside of the helmet. The peculiar smell of milk that previously got into the helmet has completely disappeared. Our fragrance system infuses fresh scents directly into the helmet, allowing us to smell the aroma distinctly. Let's check the cleaning effect inside the helmet. The milk stains on the inner wall of the helmet have disappeared.